Hey folks, another little bit from the Alcatel TCL briefing you had to see was a red BlackBerry KEY2. Check it out. Look at how beautiful this thing is. Now, you're going to say, is it red all the way? No, it's actually black in the back. So obviously, I'm not going to get into specs. This is a BlackBerry KEY2. Same KEY2 we're used to, just in beautiful anodized red aluminum. Gorgeous, beautiful BlackBerry KEY2. That's it, folks. More coverage coming from MWC 2019. Stay tuned. Check out my other video I did on the Alcatel phone that just got announced today. And, please subscribe, like this video, tell your friends. And remember, this is a supplement to the Mobile Tech Podcast at mobiletechpodcast.com. So you should subscribe to that as well. And stay tuned for more content from MWC 2019.